Hello and welcome to the Learning Mentor. In this video, we'll be introducing you to the Solidworks interface and the basic Solidworks commands. So let's get started. When you start Solidworks, your interface is something like this. So in order to create a new part, go to File, then click on New. Now after clicking on New, you will get something like this: part, assembly, and a drawing. So a part will be a single 3D representation of a single design component, which is mainly used for creating separate parts like flanges, pipes, and screws, nuts, bolts. And the assembly one is used to combine those parts to make a mechanism or a complete body of tools by arranging those single 3D parts that we have created. Drawing is the main component, which I call the main component, which we provide to the manufacturer, and he will use the drawing to make the drawing, which is the part which is tools. So we are going to go and click on the parts and then click on OK. So after clicking on OK, you can see there is a workspace window over here, which is your area of working. You can zoom in and zoom out by using your mouse wheel up and down. A mouse is necessary in order to use SolidWorks or any of the 3D modeling applications like Blender, Creo, or any other application. So the fundamentals of these are, you can look over here. This is the tree from which you can see the components that you have created, or the default components that are already present over here. This will show the hierarchy and the presence of your commands and where you have created the commands and your planes. So this is the front plane, which annotes the front view, and the top plane, which annotes the top view, and the right plane, which annotes the right view. From here you can see many visual applications. From here in the top menu, top toolbar, which is called the view toolbar as well. So from here you can zoom to fit, means if you are lost anywhere, for example, here you have created some part but you cannot see. So if you have to see the visible items that are present in a video in your interface, so go to zoom to fit. Now zoom to area usually refers to zooming to a specific area. There are previous view options, and there are view orientation, display style, and other options that will be discussed in other part of this video. These are some toolbars that we've been using. Now here you can see these are the tabs which contain many tools, like features have the 3D tools, sketch have the 2D tools for drawing things. In the evaluation tools, we have the design study, performance evaluation, and other tools from which we can assess our drawings. In the dimension expert or dim expert, we dimension our parts very regularly. From the Solidworks add-in, you can have many add-ins which can help you do a lot of stuff. For example, use the Solidworks simulation to give a simulation to our part or file. Here is the rebuild or the status bar, which tells us which rebuilds all the parts. From here you can save your file.
So in this video we discussed about the interface of Solidworks. In the next video we will be discussing about the commands in Solidworks.